Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to ELC Studies. Today we are going to begin with a new course about literary criticism. So, most of the people say that LC is hard, rough, and complex. But believe me, it is not so hard and rough as it looks. Yes, it is a complex, but not impossible. It just needs your consciousness and hard work and, of course, time. So, if I can do it, you can also. Best of luck, and let's take a start with question: what is criticism? The word criticism has been derived from the word criticos, which means able to decide. More precisely, we can call it a judgment. The word criticism has been used as a term since 17th century. Victor Hugo declared, "Is the work good or bad? That's criticism's domain." Criticism helps in writing or translating our ideas or thoughts into a text. It helps us in explaining. A general criticism is our opinion, positive or negative judgment about anything. For instance, a critical review on politician, on any Instagram's post or caption, on anyone's dressing. Therefore, it's just an interpretation. According to Webster's New International Dictionary, criticism is the art of judging or evaluation with the knowledge and propriety the beauties and faults of works of art or literature. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe so that we come up with an upgraded and emerging versions of videos. And feel free to ask any question in the comment box.